Hey everyone, how you doing today? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone is doing well. It is early in the morning. We are having a coffee. Get ready with me. Always have to have a little sippy in the morning. And I am going to do a voiceover get ready with me with a fabulous foundation that I've been using the past couple of weeks. And it is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum. I love this. It is so hydrating and it's perfect for my skin out here in Colorado. So let's get started. Anytime I put a full face of makeup on, I always love to have moisturized skin. I am addicted to this OFRA Cool as a Cucumber primer. It's kind of a moisturizer primer in one. It hydrates the skin, it soothes it, it smooths it, and it smells so fresh and clean. It smells like cucumbers. Never leaves my face feeling oily. When I am done with this, I'm going to buy another one. I love it so much. So sorry that is the only primer you see me using, but I can't stop using it. I will list all the products I'm using on my face in this Get Ready With Me below this video, and I will also put the shades I am using. Another product that I use a lot is this number 7 Lift and Luminate. It's their skincare line. I really like number 7's skincare products. I think they're really great, especially for the drugstore and the prices. This serum I really like. I really think it helps a lot with reducing the appearance of wrinkles. It makes my skin around the eye area feel firmer, always makes my face feel smooth. It's very lightweight and it never makes my face feel greasy. A new product that I've been testing out the past couple weeks is from Laura Mercier. Let me say this up front. I received this foundation primer from Laura Mercier through Octoly. All opinions are my own honest reviews. This foundation primer Radiance is really one of Laura Mercier's flagship products. It's very lightweight. It's a water-based gel that creates really a perfect canvas for makeup application, and it gives your skin a very sheer, healthy glow. Laura Mercier has really been a pioneer in creating the flawless face. This is her Skin Awakening Primer. It's supposed to give your skin a healthy glow and also create a very smooth surface for makeup application. The tint of this is a pearl tint. So what that's supposed to do is it's supposed to really kind of turn up the radiance of your skin and turn down the look of pores, fine lines, and redness. The benefits of this product is that it's supposed to give a radiant finish with sheer coverage. It is very lightweight and cooling. It's a water-based gel. It's ideal for all skin types. However, the pearl tint, they say, is perfect for light to medium skin tones. Well, I have darker medium olive complexion and I love this. I just think it makes my foundation glow. It's formulated with antioxidants, vitamins A, C, and E. It also has prestige soft focus pearls and skin conditioning jojoba oil. I really like to focus it mainly on my cheeks and then just spread the rest of it out over the other areas of my face. This is an A+ for me. Thank you, Laura Mercier. I really loved testing out that product. I've been using the Kat Von D Locket Concealer as an eyeshadow primer. This is probably, I think, one of the best products to use as an eyeshadow primer. It's very thick. It's a little creamy formula, but it goes on beautifully. I love the teardrop applicator. I've been using this for years and I have had no desire to change. I don't like it as a concealer, but I really like to use it to prime my eyelids. For my eyeshadow, I am going to use kind of an oldie but a goodie. It is this palette from of Scarlet. I believe this is the 4th edition. I will list it down in the description box. I love the colors of the eyeshadows in this palette. I'm not a big fan of the way they put the lippies in here, but I do love the other products. I've almost considered subscribing to of Scarlet, but I've always stopped myself because I think I would just be overwhelmed with palettes, and I'm already trying to thin out my collection as is. eyes. So we're just going to use the one that I have, and this is number 4. I'm going to use Sagittarius on my lid. I'm going to use New York on the outer corner of my eye and in the crease. And then I'm going to use Pinot Grigio to just kind of spotlight and highlight the inner corner of my eye. I would say the quality of the eyeshadows in this palette are pretty good. However, I wouldn't say they are comparable to, for example, my Modern Renaissance palette when it comes to blendability, but they really aren't bad. They really are fairly decent quality, at least this palette I've found to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to sit and watch this entire process in slow-mo. I'm going to do it a little faster for you, and then we will get to the next step. I don't want this eyeshadow to have heavy look to it, so I'm going to skip my brow bone shade and just let my Kat Von D concealer kind of do the concealing up there. I'm not going to put any eyeshadow under the brow bone, just kind of let it look more natural. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes and try to make my eyelashes look a little bit thicker by using an eyeliner. One of my favorite eyeliners is by Stila. It is the Stila Stay All Day eyeliner. It's waterproof. I really love the very extra fine tip it has. There's no smudging, no feathering, no running. I like to use this along my lash line and also do a little bit of tight lining on my upper lid. Makes my lashes look thicker. I'm only doing one eye in this video, and then I'm going to do the other off camera, so this doesn't take too long. Next, my favorite mascara right now is by Hourglass. It is their Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. It gives you length, it gives you volume, it lifts your lashes, separates them, gives you dramatic lashes, and there's no flaking. I love the formula. It's a little bit of a wetter formula, but it makes my puny lashes look so good. I am willing to fork over the money for a more expensive mascara if it does this to my eyelashes. I bought the little travel size of it and I love it. I'm almost considering just keeping the travel size instead of buying a bigger mascara. That way I'll just use up the travel size. It'll always be kind of fresh and I won't worry about it going bad. But I love this stuff. I really like the shape of the wand on this. I can get it in all the nooks and crannies of my eyes and not make a mess. Makes my lashes look so big. I'm going to run off camera, do my other eye, and I will be right back. I've been testing out some products from OFRA. One is this Perfecting Beauty Puff. I want to say up front, this puff was sent to me from OFRA. All opinions are my own honest reviews. Right now, I'm comparing this puff to my Beauty Blender. Very similar in size when dry and when wet. However, I find the one from OFRA to be a little bit softer, a little bit more bouncy, and a little bit more comfortable than the Beauty Blender. It also has more of a kind of a nipple or a teardrop shape to help you get in the corner of your eyes when you're putting on your concealer. So let me tell you a little bit about this Perfecting Puff and my opinions on it as I'm putting on my Bobbi Brown foundation. What OFRA says about this Perfecting Puff is it's better when wetter. It's their expanding makeup sponge. It's supposed to make putting on your makeup so much easier. You should be able to seamlessly blend on your foundation, put on your contour and your highlight to create the ultimate natural finish. It does have a teardrop teardrop shape, as I said. That does help with precision. It also is supposed to be formulated to help prevent makeup absorption, so you have less waste. When it's wet, it will double in size. It's very bouncy, very soft. You can use it to apply foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, contour, highlight. You can use it wet, you can use it dry, you can use it to even put on your setting powder. Because it's so soft and bouncy, it does help prevent lines and streaking. My opinion on it is this: it's $15. I use a sponge mainly to apply my products. I don't need it to be so precise. So for me, having the teardrop tip is not a plus or a minus. I just want a sponge that does a good job of putting on products and doesn't create a lot of waste. I have a $4.50 sponge that works very similar to this sponge. There's a huge difference between $4 and $15, so for me, I would really rather spend less money. Don't get me wrong, this Perfecting Puff from OFRA is a great sponge. I just think it still is a little expensive at $15 when I do find some comparable dupes that run as low as $4. So for me, I really appreciated them giving it to me. Would I buy it myself? Probably not, mainly due to the price point. I found this Bobbi Brown foundation to be beautiful, especially for mature skin. Did not sink into any of my lines or wrinkles. Really makes my skin look very hydrated. I love it, especially for out here in Colorado where it is a very dry climate. I'm going to use a under eye illuminator I haven't used in a while. It is my Bye Bye Under Eye Illumination. It is waterproof, it's full coverage, it's anti-aging. It really makes your under eye area look radiant. It helps with fine lines and dark circles and uneven skin tone. I like to mix it with a little bit of another concealer, and the one I'm using today is by Origins. And sadly, I don't think they are making this concealer anymore. It might be discontinued. It's Origins Plantscription. It's anti-aging concealer. Really does help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and make that under eye area look flawless. And to set that under eye area, I still go back to my number 7 Perfect Light Loose Translucent Powder. It is so smooth and creamy. I like it so much better than the Laura Mercier powder. I don't know why. For some reason, the Laura Mercier powder makes my face feel a little greasy. I don't know why that is. I love this number 7 powder. It does not settle into any of my fine lines and wrinkles. It is ultra fine, really finely milled, light diffusing powder. It makes my under eye area look radiant. Another great bronzer blush. This one is from OFRA. Just to be transparent, this product was sent to me from OFRA. All opinions are my own honest reviews. This is OFRA's blush bronzer format. It's a warm bronze satin shade. It's really a beautiful bronzer. I've tested out a lot of great bronzers recently, and this one is one of them. I normally like to use my bronzer like a blush, so this product is right up my alley. It's a dual purpose. It doubles as a blush and a bronzer, and it is a beautiful deep bronzy rose shade. It really makes you look like you just got out of the sun. Sort of a natural flush color that just adds warmth to your face. You can put it on your face, on your shoulders, on your décolletage. It's very full pigment, so you really don't need much. All you have to do is just gently touch your brush to the product and it blends in beautifully, melts right into your skin. You can actually use this wet or dry, and you can use a powder or blush brush for it just to give yourself a sun-kissed look. And I know a lot of people love OFRA, so I will leave a 30% off coupon code down in the description box. Next, I'm using one of my favorite MAC blushes. It is called Pinch Me. It's a Sheertone blush. It's a great color. It's kind of a medium dirty rose coral. Glides on beautifully and looks very natural. Another product I've been testing out from OFRA is this OFRA highlighter. This product was sent to me from OFRA. All opinions are my own honest reviews. OFRA makes some of the best highlighters, really banging highlighters that are very natural, very buildable, and very beautiful. I have been dying to get my hands on this one. This one is such a popular highlighter. It's called Pillow Talk, and OFRA's highlighters have this very cool brand new packaging. Pillow Talk is actually a soft pearl pink glow highlighter. It's really perfect for fair to medium skin tones. Even though I am slightly darker complected, I really love the look of this. It is a beautiful kind of beaming highlighter. You can have it natural by just applying a light hand, or you can really make this pop by doing a little bit of layering, and you will get a 24/7 glow with this. It's very creamy. It has pearl pigment that helps capture the light, and it will illuminate whatever feature you're trying to show off. OFRA highlighters glow is the result of a liquid to bake technology. The luminosity from the pearls in the formula provide a really unparalleled pigment payoff that will just give you a beautiful beaming sheen. This highlight works for both young or mature skin. I give it an A+. I'm just going to powder my face with it Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Airbrush Perfecting Powder. This is talc free. It's infused with hydrolyzed silk, hydrolyzed collagen, niacin, and peptides. It won't settle into your lines or pores, and it really does make your skin look flawless. I'm not going to do my eyebrows on camera this time. I will just link my eyebrow routine down in the description box. And then I'm going to set my face with my favorite makeup setting spray, and it's by Milani. I know so many people love this Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's so lightweight, it doesn't make my face feel greasy, and it has the most amazing fine mist. This lipstick by e.l.f. in Ruby Red is probably one of my most favorite, if not my most favorite, red lipsticks. It is a velvet matte lipstick formula, but it is not drying at all. It glides on beautifully. It has beautiful pigment and is very silky. Now this lipstick looks good all by itself, but I always love to top most of my lipsticks with the most magical fairy dust lip gloss from Becca, and it is their Liquid Crystal Glow Lip Gloss. This one is in pearl and gold. It is a creamy pearl with gold shift, and it makes every lipstick look amazing. It just goes to show you how much I love this lip gloss. This little tube is almost empty. I rarely ever finish off a lip gloss, but I am almost completely done with this one. But don't worry, I have several backups. So now I'm just going to do a little magic and snap my fingers, and there you go. This is my Get Ready With Me using that beautiful Bobbi Brown Serum Foundation, the beautiful red lip. Don't forget, for all you OFRA lovers, the 30% off coupon code. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.